Okay.
Okay, what is our next recipe going to be? Chicken fried steak?
Yes.
But it's called chicken light fried steak. And for this, you'll need a half recipe of the walnut gluten. For the batter, you need 1 cup unbleached white flour, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast flakes, 2 tablespoons of wheat germ, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon basil leaves, and 1 cup water.
Okay, chicken fried steaks. This is not really chicken, but I'm going to use the walnut gluten that I showed the other program in 3abn.
Right.
So you'll be able to get the recipe. Now, if you don't have the recipe, or you can have your favorite vegetarian meat recipe, you can use that also. So I'm going to go ahead and show how to use the batter. So first you will need 1 cup unbleached flour, and the nutritional yeast flakes, and the wheat germ is very high in fiber and vitamin E and iron also. And I'm going to put some sea salt, contains some calcium and magnesium. This is garlic powder. I'm going to put some onion powder, and basil leaves. It gives such a kind of meat flavor.
Meat flavor, huh?
And I'm going to go in and add some 1 cup water, and I'm going to mix it. This is very thick batter. So when you mix it, if the batter gets thicker, don't worry. It's supposed to be that way. And there's no egg or no baking powder, baking soda. So this batter will be nice and crispy. And usually chicken fried steaks, you deep fry them. But I am not going to deep fry this one. I'm just going to put some oil in the pan. And I'm going to show you how to make delicious chicken fried steak. What I will do, first I'm going to turn. Is it on? Yeah, I heard that. Click, click.
I heard it.
What I do, you will need some olive oil. Well, you don't have to put so much, but I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons olive oil to cover. Then I will show you how to dip it, make at least 2 steaks. This is very delicious. And you need to cover all the way around like that. Then you go and cook. Oil is not quite hot, but I'm going to go and put it in here. Then another one. When you have a half recipe of walnut gluten in my cookbook, you can make about 12. And this one freezes so well, so you can make 12 at a time. Freeze them. Then whenever you need to eat, you can take it out. Then one thing you can do, if you love the what do you call it, finger steak?
Finger steak.
And you can slice about finger size like this. Then I'll just do a few here. Then you just dip it in here. Then you go ahead and you can fry it together. And this makes a wonderful lunch
Lunch meat or party food or anything?
Party food, and when you travel a lot, and then
Yes.
it makes a wonderful dishes for you. And while we are cooking, I received so many letters from all over the world, and we like to share several letters with you.
Amen.
Okay.
The first letter I'd like to read is it's coming from Hazel, and she's from Maine. It says, Dear Kyong, it has been a joy to see you on 3abn.
Amen.
It was such a blessing to see your husband with you.
Amen.
And we just want to thank Hazel, and it's a pleasure to be on 3abn. And another letter we get here is from Joanne. She's from Michigan. It says, Dear Kyong, I'm thanking God for your ministry.
Amen.
I like your recipes because they are simply, easy, quick, wholesome, with a good variety.
Amen.
For 3 years, I've been struggling with a vegan diet. I prayed God would send me help, and He heard my prayer.
Amen.
Not only that the recipes would be vegan, but quick, easy, and simple. I can see how He is working through you. I'm
Great.
praying He will continue to bless you. She says, thank you. And we want to say thank you to you, and thank you to 3abn, because 3abn is reaching out and touching people.
Amen. Amen.
And the last letter I'd like to read is from Georgette, and it says here, Dear Kyong, I just want to express my gratefulness to you for the delicious vegan recipes you share and demonstrate on 3ABN. I've used them several of them, and they are a delight to me and my family, and whom with I share a lot. Your website is very amazing, so filled with good information.
Amen.
God bless you, and may God continue to bless you as you live to serve others.
Amen.
Amen. These letters really mean a lot to us, and we really appreciate them sending them, and we just want to thank them today for what they do for us.
Yeah. When you're blessed by the programs, we would love to hear from you,
Yeah.
what God is doing to your life. So please keep writing. Good letter. Sometimes we are receiving not so good letter too, but we cannot please everybody. But we are doing God's works. So, okay, while he's writing it, okay, this is not quite ready, but I can show you. Look at that, how beautifully brown. But I'll ask you to cook completely brown. Then you can fix nice plate like this. Now I'm gonna go and turn this one off. Then you can have a white gravy on top of it. Doesn't it look like a country chicken fried steak?
Yes.
Yes, it looks wonderful. Okay.
Want to show the finished product?
Yes, please do. Thank you. I didn't.
Finished product here looks really, really good.
Amen.
And a friend of ours, his name was Roger.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah.
He loved chicken fried steaks, and he just couldn't believe how these things looked and how they tasted. So,
Yeah.
so we
praise
really
God.
appreciate all that.